Presenting Queen Merida of Dunbroch, leader of the clans, protector of the Highlands, and my daughter.
You're early.
The sun's nearly set. Unless you want to rule over a kingdom of bears, you better have me helm.
Oh, I have it. But I'm not going to hand it over to you. I'm going to destroy it.
Are you sure that's wise, dear?
Merida?
I know what I'm doing, Mother. No one should have the power to lead people into a fight they don't believe in. I'll find a way to stop your curse, but I am not going to be bullied into giving this back.
I was hoping you'd say that.
What now?
This was never about the helm, dear. This was about you.
You mean this was all a test?
King Fergus came to me asking for magic to ensure the future of his kingdom. And that's exactly what I gave him.
Getting the helm back made me understand what it takes to rule.
Your magic's never very direct, is it?
It gets the job done. I pride myself on satisfied customers.
Are we done then?
Not quite. I wouldn't have come to a coronation without a gift.
It's not another carving of a bear, is it?
There. There's one person who couldn't be here today to see you crowned.
My dad? What's that?
Magical ale. You know the legend of Sinead, don't you, dear?
Aye. Is it true?
Indeed. One cup of this can summon the spirit of anyone who's passed to the underworld.
You mean I can talk to my dad? Thank you.